Mehdi, who has contributed 80,000 bucks. Manuel and June D'Souza, who have contributed 80,000 bucks, and Amit Jain, who has contributed 20,000 bucks. We are thankful for the support to the community. Opening runs. Opening runs for Kapil. Manish Dubey keeping the wickets. Krishiv on the strike. Raghav getting ready to bowl. The scorers have some confusion. They're getting it clarified. Manish Bhai from Juhu. Is it?
He's the king of PVR.
King of PVR. Raghav ready to bowl. A brilliant bowling. Brilliant bowling. He has asked for a DRS as the umpire has given a leg by for a wide. Now next 3 hours is going to be endurance game. हाँ वही बोल रहा हूँ इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि endurance game हो जाएगा. Raghav ready to bowl. They have lost the review. Krishiv नहीं हुआ अच्छा okay okay. So no review happened. Correction. So far Raghav has been very effective. नहीं बंद नहीं चालू है. Speaker बंद. Speaker YouTube पे. YouTube पे. Some confusion again. Umpire sorting it out. All fielders in position. Umpire instructing both the teams. Ready to go. So that's a boundary. That was a great stroke from Giri. A good hit. Is out, hitting the roof. Giri is gone. So it was not Kapil. Kapil was actually the runner for Giri. Let me correct myself. Kapil was runner for Giri. Giri is out now, so Kapil is back. That was very, very big mix-up. Absolute confusion between batsmen. Krishiv not ready to leave his crease.
अब जहाँ जा रहे मैं गलती से आ जा रहा हूँ. दो विकेट गिर गए इनका.
Kunal Jaju, a key player in the Mavericks team, getting ready to bowl. स्पीकर बंद है YouTube. सबको पास करूंगा बारी बारी से. कमेंट्री तो मेरे को कोई टिका के गए.
ओके भैया हम लोग आखिरी दिन के लिए जीतने के लिए खेलेंगे of course.
Good bowling from Jaju so far. They have got things under control. The Mavericks. The next ball, a good ball, a good strike, a single. Score 7 runs for 2 wickets, 1.2 overs. What is this guy's name? Who's batting? Kabir. Kabir on the go. Hits the ball out of the park for a 6 to Kunal. A beautiful tickle down for one single declared run. 14 out of 1.4 balls. Again, Krishiv caught in a mix-up. I think the batsmen need to communicate a lot better and lot more. There is no calling. They've already lost a good wicket to run out. Last ball from Kunal for this over. So end of the over, 14 runs for 2 wickets, 2 in 2 overs. 4 overs to go. Mithun, the next bowler, coming in to bowl to Kabir. Checking the field.
हाँ अभी तो हो गई अच्छा खासा हो गया. किधर डाला
बस यार आदित्य भाई बंद कर दो.
2.5 घंटा लेट है.
मैंने 4-5 बार देख लिया अभी बस.
मैंने नहीं देखा मुझे दिखा उनको देखना कैसे हो सकता है प्लीज आई वुड लव टू
A run off the ball for Kabir. Krishiv on strike. Key batsman Krishiv for the Challengers team. So it seems the ball has hit the roof. यहाँ से दिखता नहीं है वो कॉर्नर ना.
नहीं वो जो रेलिंग है ना
हाँ.
उसको लग के नीचे आई है बॉल.
अच्छा.
रेलिंग नीचे है.
Okay.
हाँ, वहाँ पे आगे देखो आपको दिखेगा.
So umpires have reviewed and it's not out.
और गया ही कहाँ है अभी ब्लैक अच्छी टीम है.
Okay, Mithun, ready to bowl the next ball. So Kabir is hitting hard, getting the ball, but missing the slot. Again, a good shot from Kabir. Mithun ready to bowl the next ball. 2 balls to go. That's a great shot, plus a no ball. So 6 runs and a free hit. 7 runs of that ball. Suddenly they move to 24. One ball to go, 25, 10 runs and over. They're operating at 10 runs and over almost. Again a no ball. Again 2 runs. Are they gifting away the match? 27 runs for 2 wickets. 1 ball to go, 1 legal delivery to go. Again a no ball. The bowler needs to prep himself up. The team needs to back him up. They're almost at 10 runs and over right now. Last legal delivery. So an over which cost them around 15, 16 runs. Again bowling change. The wicketkeeper Manish Dubey, probably the team captain, has come to bowl the fourth over, setting the team to his bowling attack. A seasoned player Manish Dubey bowling to Kabir, who is knocking around the balls really well. It's a good ball. It's a very good ball. Two dot balls, adding to the pressure of challengers. Changing the side, going over the wicket. Almost a wide ball, but within the lines. Getting under the pressure. The pressure of three dot balls. Kabir giving in to the pressure of three dot balls. Score remains the same. Wickets lost are 3. So 30 runs, 3 balls to go of this over. Sky comes to play. Akash comes to play. Good batsman, good bowler. Challengers looking up to Akash and Kriship to do the needful to get to a respectable or a winning total. Manish Bhai had a great over. 1 run from that over. 4 dot balls and a wicket. Next bowler in is DJ Darshak. Decent bowler. Shot. That's a great shot from Kriship for a 6. Capitalizing on a weak bowler. A relatively weak bowler. Darshak Zaveri. One run again. Score moves to 39 of 3 balls from this over. 3 more balls to go, 39 runs. 1.5 over to go in this innings. Gone. Raghav takes a sitter of a missed time hit from Akash. Celebrations by Mavericks to get a key wicket. YouTube.
इधर आएगी तो मजा आएगा ना।
मजा तो आएगा लेकिन अभी
नमस्कार सभी को।
बॉल डालो
और डीजे बॉल डालते हुए अर्पित को। और ये नो बॉल। Many people are watching.
So no ball, a free hit. Umpire on the phone forgot to declare the free hit.
41. Damn भाई भाई चेस कर लेना कैसे भी करके चेस कर लेना.
A good bowling spell by Darshak Zaveri, except for that 6 runs which he gave away. Last ball of his over. Arpit makes his ground.
In 5 overs it is 42 for 4. बहुत बेहतरीन ओवर अर्पित के द्वारा, सॉरी डीजे के द्वारा. Ten runs of it despite a 6. And the next bowler is Amit bowling to Krishiv, who is a very experienced batter who can hit sixes. Last over है, देखते क्या होता है. Krishiv is playing on 18 runs, 7 more to go to get retired. And that's going to be a wide. Hopefully, challengers are aiming for 60. Let's see if they can get that. And that's a good shot and a drop catch. You cannot drop Krishiv's catches. Third catch dropped. And that is out. They've not dropped it now. Mithun is a very good fielder and they've got a very big wicket of Krishiv. Superb fielding. Great effort in the field. Four more balls to go. Kunal Gupta on strike. Let's see if he can get. Hopefully. And that's played beautifully and great fielding by Mithun again. बहुत बढ़िया एफर्ट डालते हो मिथुन. And that is a beautiful shot. Arpit hits it for a 6. 50 up for the team in 5.4 overs. अभी तक अमित अच्छा डाल रहे थे. Oh, and that's a dot ball. Very well bowled by Amit. Great comeback. Did not let Arpit hit that. And last ball, and that is now a beautiful catch by Kunal Jaju. Excellent fielding by him. And challengers finish for 50. YouTube. आदि को लग रहा है बंद है. हर किसी को लग रहा है बट YouTube पे चल रहा है. हम इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं आपके लिए. So challengers go 50 for 6 in 6 overs. And Sachin is here. Hi Sachin.
What's up, Minijan?
Say hi to the viewers YouTube पे.
Good evening, viewers. I hope it's not too late for you guys. I hope you're enjoying the match on your big screens at home. Yuvraj, what do you think about this year's IPL?
Hello.
Yeah, we'd like to thank all our residents for their cooperation, the managing committee for their cooperation. They've been really cooperative in helping us organize this tournament. Really thankful to our sponsors, our cash sponsors. I'll give the mic back to UV. I think he's commentating well.
Hello, what's up? YouTube पे चल रहा है. Say hi.
Hi.
That was Pari saying hi to all of you. So can Mavericks get this total of 51, which is a fighting total?
51 in 6 overs is the target. 51. Challenge is a young side. They're trying to control an experienced size first runs. Milan and Manish opening the bowling. पकड़ लिया. ये पकड़ा गया. कुणाल ने बहुत अच्छी विकेट कीपिंग करते हुए एक शानदार कैच पकड़ लिया. Manish back to the pavilion. Amit Satam has come to the pick. Arpit bowling nice and easy. 2 runs for 1 wicket. 4 balls to go. Milan. Giri moving a little straighter. Unable to connect and time properly. He's gone. Hitting the sky. Hit wicket. Amit Satam. Kunal Gupta bowling a very good line. Forcing the error from the batsman. Three wickets for 4 runs in 1.5 overs. Good bowling by Kunal. Good line. Mithun almost getting trapped right in front of the wicket, but for the line and pitching of the ball. Kunal Jaju, a key player in the Mavericks team. A lot of things rests on his shoulders. Two overs, 5 runs. 46 runs to get in 4 overs. "46 runs on 24 balls, almost 2 runs an over. 12 runs an over. Just about 12 runs an over. That's a great shot from Jaju. Overpitched, inviting to be hit, and it was hit. 13 runs of 3 balls, 2.1 overs. Kabir getting the stick. A cheeky single. Great fielding by Giri. Blocking a good shot. Here goes Mithun and the wicket falls. 4 wickets in for 14 runs. It's a wide ball. Four runs. A good shot by Dubey. Three overs gone, 19 runs, 32 to win. 32 to win in 32 runs more required in 18 deliveries. A good task. Oh, it's a big hit. White ball. White ball. The bowler needs to keep his cool. Two experienced and seasoned campaigners at the crease right now. Manish Dubey and Kunal Jaju. Kunal Jaju carrying a lot of burden of the team. Manish Dubey. That's a shot from Manish Dubey. 6.
This partnership will decide the fate of the game. What do you think, Lavi bhai?
Absolutely. Seasoned campaigners, 4th IHCL, and they have things to prove to the youngsters.
Sensible batting by this pair. Jaju is a champion and so is Manish Dubey. Quite a fighter. And I think they've put their teams back in the match. Not much runs needed now. Only 15-16 runs needed, I guess, in 2 overs. 15 runs in 2 overs. I don't think challengers have the bowlers to defend it. So I think now Mavericks will really do badly to lose this match. What do you say?
Absolutely. The scales have tilted in favor of Mavericks right now. With key bowlers, they've seen through the key bowlers. They've batted through the key bowlers. Sky was supposed to pick up some wickets, but he could not. Just to the next bowler, Sargam.
So Sargam bowls these slow, loopy, could be tempting, and that's where a batsman can make a mistake. But I don't think a seasoned campaigner like Kunal Jaju would do that. Quite animated Kunal Jaju, and I don't know why he needs to do that. He needs to relax. What's the big deal? these are where you make mistakes, you know. But luckily the mistakes happened from challengers. So let's see what happens in the next ball. Well bowled, Sargam.
It's a good run, a good strategy to rotate the strike. Things are in their hands. Another six from Manish Dubey, taking the match away from challengers. 45 runs, 6 runs in 9 balls.
By the way, we play them next, Lovi bhai.
When is that?
We don't know about that.
In 2 hours. In 2 hours, Royals plays against Mavericks.
कैच नहीं था शायद बाद में टेक है शायद नहीं पर ये कैच नहीं था क्या ये था फ्री था क्या है बाद में विकास भाई
So that was a free hit from Manish Dubey, taken by Kabir.
क्यों करना है और वैसे ही भाई हम लोग
पहुंच गया आराम से.
फिर भी ले लिया
Umpires check. नहीं, umpires are reviewing. Umpires are reviewing.
जीता हुआ मैच है अच्छा इन लोग के लिए
For a change, Dubey taking the lead. Wow. Dubey was taking the lead and suddenly he finds his back. Suddenly he finds his way back into the pavilion. A good innings, bringing Mavericks back into the game.
I don't want to curse the match, but what if a miracle will happen? Honestly, Jaju is too experienced to throw away a match like this. I don't think he'll do something like that. But you know, funny things have happened in cricket.
We've already seen that, Sachin. What do you think?
You know, I think Jaju is a smart batsman. He'll not make a mistake like that. Yeah, expected because he'll take the strike in the next over. And I think they kept Kapil for too late. They should have got Kapil in the previous over. I think that was a tactical mistake by the challengers. Yeah, I think they need to relook at their strategies, the way they are bowling or the way playing. But let's see. We just hope for a close contest.
Kapil is quite a rookie bowler, capable of taking the wickets, turns the ball viciously, good control. Let's see what happens. Odds are not on their side. I'm sure they will give it all. We don't know what's the delay about. Teams are taking too much time. I think a time-based penalty should be imposed in the next tournament. They can't take so much time. The matches get delayed. We are already running late and we'll walk into midnight, much more past midnight, to finish the day. I'll take this time to thank our sponsors, Prince Developers, Memon Realtors, EIPL Panasonic, Brandex, and Infinity Constructions. A good one run. Sensible batting from Kunal Jaju. No senseless hitting. No heroics. Just to finish the match. Win, seal it, and go home. The full toss. Couldn't take complete advantage of it. They just need 2 runs from 4 balls. They can win if they are not foolish at this point. Cricket is a funny game. Oh, going for the second run. Raghav is out, run out. They equaled the score from 3 balls. 1 run from 3 balls, 2 wickets in hand. DJ coming into bat. Maybe just to complete the run. आपको क्या लग रहा है?
जिस हिसाब से बैट्समैन खड़ा है लग तो रहा है हो सकता है.
हो गया, हो गया.
And that's the end of the match. Mavericks wins this by 3 wickets. A well played match. Challengers fought well but couldn't hold on to it. The game was taken away by Manish Dubey and Kunal Jaju. Kunal anchored the innings, gave support to all the players, guided the players to a team victory.